Hey friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to build the filter to remove test records from your person-based query. I'm very excited to say that this is the first in our new series about making configurable joins feel more accessible. So if there are configurable joins that you're struggling to build that you could easily access in the local base, please feel free to reach out in the comments and we will highlight it in a future video. So for today, from the person base, we are going to start a subquery filter. And we're going to do that by clicking on the one-to-many symbol next to the direct filter button. From here, we're going to click on join and then look for tags. And then continue and save. Then we're going to filter. Under tags, go for name and select test. We are going to give it the name of not in test record. Perfect. And we're going to change our aggregate to not exists. And that is going to be the best practice build. And to kick off our new series, the Parish Group is delighted to introduce a special guest today. Christopher Quan from Technolutions is going to take over and explain why this is the best practice build.
Hello, everyone. Christopher here from Technolutions. Yeah, let's talk about this. Okay. So to say, first off, I was really excited about Katie's introduction, which is why I went blue and derailed her. Love that. So when you work in Slate, you're trying to query consistently. Sometimes you might want to find records that do not have or might have certain information attached to them. So for this example here that Katie is laying out for us, we are looking for people that do not have that test record tag. Okay. And so there are many ways you could go about building this kind of subquery filter. There are some of them which are faster, more efficient, and generally better recommended than others. So I really want to make sure that you see that this is the recommended way. So, when we were talking about this particular thing, Katie said, this is for true beginners. So I want to make sure that, you do know that there are those two terms, exists and not exists. Exists meaning, do we find a matching record? And not exists meaning, do we not find a matching record? Okay. So in this instance, if we're looking for people who do not have that test record tag, we're going to use that not exist filter to tell Slate, hey, show me people where there isn't a test record tag. Okay. So why do we like this not exists aggregate? It's quick and easy for Slate to check this. It just looks through all your records. In this case, looks through all our person records. And if it doesn't find that test record tag, it moves on. On the other hand, there is another way to do this. So let's build this together. So we're creating another subquery filter. We're joining back to tags. We're filtering for name. Going to test record. And we're actually changing this one to not in. And we're leaving our aggregate as exists. So if you think about this as an English word puzzle, they sound different, but they sound like they're talking about the same thing, but they're not at the same time. So in the first example here, Slate's going through all the records, but if it doesn't exist, it's moving on, it's skipping it. It's just looking for the presence of it. For the second version, Slate is going through every single record in your database, just like the first one. However, it's going to see, does a tag exist? Great, let's met that first thing. Then it has to go through each row of every single tag to see, is it this one or is it that one? And if it is this one, remove it. But if it's the other one, keep it in there. So if you take a look at this, we have currently, if I make this first one inactive, we have 2,400 or so records that meet that second subquery filter. Now, if I flip that around, that jumps up to 30,000. It's really important to make that distinction and know which type of filtering you really want to do. It's the first one, by the way, to really get at that accurate data. And that's it.
Amazing. Chris, thank you so much for joining us today. It is always a joy to talk with you, and especially when we get to talk joins. Thank you.
Woo.
The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.